Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install GitHub Copilot on Eclipse IDE. So let's open the Eclipse IDE. So GitHub Copilot is now available inside Eclipse. So you should use the latest version of the Eclipse IDE. So 2026 is the latest currently. And here let's click on this launch. Here you can see Eclipse ID that's come there. Thereafter go on this help pane Eclipse marketplace. So you need to go there on Eclipse marketplace. There you need to search. So search box. So search box is now enabled. Let's search here GitHub. GitHub, then go pilot, press enter. Then you can see GitHub Copilot is there by GitHub site. Okay, so this also from the GitHub and commercial and free this one. So this we need to install. So now here click on this accept and finish. So here you can see installing the software. There you can see the status. Here you need to check this and click on this trust selected. Installing software, here you can see the percentage. The GitHub Copilot that installed, thereafter click on this restart now. So this is now reopening the GitHub ID. Sorry, Eclipse ID. After restarting, start coding AI powered GitHub Copilot. Let's click on this start using the Copilot and sign in to GitHub Copilot is the option that's come there. So let's click on this. We can offer now Copilot free. So let's click on this sign in. So this is the device code. Now congratulations, you are all set. Here click on this OK. So GitHub Copilot here that's come there. GPT mini is there. You can select the models. Cloudy, Hawk, all this all. So let's close this. And here my first question is add two numbers in Java and add into first class. This here add two numbers code that's come there. This place. Control S to save. And now click on this run. So enter first number. Let's give there 9. Here 7. 16 that's display. So this is the one small example of where I'm using the GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot now again I'm going to move inside the GitHub Copilot. Thereafter you can ask any question there and this will automatically add into this. First, since this selected is there, so current file, you can use this. From this place you can select your models like Cloudo, this all. So this is how we can here install GitHub Copilot inside the Eclipse IDE and use this. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.